We're at the Home and Garden Show, and when you come in, there's going to be a mural being built. Rachel Lyon is all behind it. Good morning. Tell us about this blank canvas.
So we are going to be live painting this weekend. It'll be me and two local artists, and we are actually donating this mural to charity, so we get to highlight the Fort Garry Women's Resource Center. We're painting it. It's actually on thin plywood boards, and which means we can take it off the wall and give it to them when it's done.
And you've got local artists helping you out?
Yes, I do. Yes.
Okay, so it's going to be happening live. How is it done? Because you've done this many times before in Calgary.
Yes, so we start yesterday. I was here early. I sketched the design onto the wall, and then we'll just be working kind of shorter hours than the show, about 5 hours per day, so people can really watch it come to life.
I see the sketch in front of me. What does, for the audience, because it is not there yet, what's it going to say for them?
Of course, yeah, there's not much to see right now, but it does say you deserve the world. And to me, that's a nice positive affirmation. The mural will be in a client-facing space. So I think it's really important to have a nice message for people to enjoy the artwork.
If somebody's coming to the Home and Garden Show, what would you want them to know if they're stopping by?
That we love to talk about art. So please come by, ask questions, have a seat, enjoy the view, and kind of watch it come to life.
And a message for the folks at the Fort Garry Resource Center who are going to have this beautiful, beautiful piece.
We're super honored to be painting this. I love supporting especially women-based charities, so it's an honor.